Goeiemiddag graad 11. Ons is vanmiddag terug met ons algemene oplossings. Good afternoon grade 11s. We are back with our general solutions. And today we're going to go on with exercising the general solutions that's written a bit otherwise. Let's look at this one. 2 cos theta equals minus 1. What's very important that I can't get my reference angle before I've got a trig angle equals ratio. Listen carefully. Ek kan nie my verwysingshoek kry alvorens ek 'n trig uitdrukking hoek is gelyk aan verhouding het. So this thing is not ready for a reference angle yet. I must first start to manipulate it mathematically to get it in the right form. Kom ons manipuleer hierdie ouetjie wiskundig. Ons deel met 2 aan hierdie kant. En nou lyk hy vir ons reg. I've got now trig angle equals ratio. It's ready for a reference angle. Trig, hoek, verhouding. Onthou wat jy vir gesê het, ons kyk nie nou na die minus nie. Ons gaan nou kyk in watter kwadrant is cos negatief. That's where we use the angle. But before that, we're going to get our reference angle. Ons gaan ons verwysingshoek nou eers te kry. Hoe doen ons dit? Let's put our calculator in reverse mode of a half, and that gives me 60 degrees. Okay, now we're ready, and we ask ourselves, in what quadrant is the cosinus function negative? In watter kwadrant is die cosfunksie negatief? Ons gaan kyk. If you look at the first quadrant, all positive, there cos is negative, daar is cos ook negatief en daar is hy positief. So watter 2 kwadrante raak my? Okay, cos is negatief in die tweede kwadrant of in die derde kwadrant. Okay, now I'm working with theta. Theta equals 180 degrees minus, that's the second quadrant. My reference angle, and because it's a cos function, it's plus k times the cycle of a cos function, k element of z. Jy moet dit leer, you must study that. And now we can simplify that. It's 120 plus k times 360 degree. General solution. In die tweede kwadrant het ons theta is gelyk aan 180 grade plus my verwysingshoek plus k maal 360 grade, want dit is 'n cos, k element van z, en ek kan dit vereenvoudig, en dit is 240 grade plus k maal 360 grade. And I'm done with my general solution. Let's go to the second one. The second one, this thing is not ready to get a reference angle. I need tangent of an angle equals a ratio. So let's start. The tangent of x equals, take this minus 1 to the other side of the equals 2 and divide with that 3 on both sides. Now I'm ready to get a reference angle. Hoe kry ek my verwysingshoek? Right there, reference angle. I'm now busy with my reference angle. It's not my solution, it's only my reference angle. By reversing, and if you put that in your calculator, you will get your reference angle as 18,432 degrees, round 2 decimal places. That's your reference angle. Jou verwysingshoek gaan altyd 'n skerp hoek wees. Of 90 grade. So it's going to be from 0 degrees up to 90 degrees. Goed, kom ons gaan kyk nou, in watter kwadrante is tan positief? In the first and the third quadrant. So let's go there. I've got the first quadrant or the third quadrant. In the first quadrant, I'm working with x now. Nie theta nie, x, my hoek se naam is nou x. X is gelyk aan, in my eerste kwadrant is dit 0 grade plus my verwysingshoek, 18,43 grade, plus k, en pas op nou, dis 'n tan, en sy siklus herhaal elke 180 grade, k element of z. So it's already been simplified. In the third quadrant, x, and in the third quadrant, it's 180 plus 180 degrees plus 18,43 degrees plus k times 180. Okay, element of z, let's just simplify. 180 plus 18,43 gives us 198,43 degrees plus k times 180. I'm done with my general solution over there. Kom ons kyk nou, hierdie laaste enetjie, hy is nie in die regte vorm nie, so ons gaan eers ook weer die 2 oorvat oor die is gelyk aan, dan word hy min 2, en dan gaan ek aan albei kante deel met 5, en nou het ek my uitdrukking gereed vir my verwysingshoek. My reference angle, right there, reference angle, and then you put into your calculator second function of sin, don't include the minus, moenie die minus bysit nie, die minus sê vir ons die kwadrante. So now your reference angle will be, let's quickly see, 23,58 degrees. 23,58 degrees. That's the acute angle, your reference angle. In watter kwadrante is sin negatief? Sin is negatief in die derde en die vierde kwadrant. So ons gaan skryf derde kwadrant of vierde kwadrant. In die derde kwadrant het ons 180 plus, so ek werk nou met alfa. Alfa is 180 grade plus 23,58 en ek is besig met sin, so dis plus k mal 360 grade. Don't forget the k element of z. So now we can quickly just simplify. Alpha is dan 203,58 grade plus k mal 360 grade. Let's check the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, alpha equals 360 degrees minus my reference angle of 23,58 degrees plus k times 360, k an element of z. So now we can simplify. We subtract 23,58 now from 360, and that gives us 336,42, 336,42 grade plus k mal 360 grade, k element van z. Dit is graad 11, ons volgende algemene oplossings gaan oefen hulle ook, sien julle môre.